you can see this, and I think the evaporation has rapid out. My cat was watching, and you must have seen that how that cat actually, hit this. Anything in motion, she thought that it was alive, something is alive. So as I'm speaking, you can see that the alcohol is rising up in the neck, and slowly the bird is dipping up. So the whole video, you can watch it out as much as possible over here. So if my cat comes, then obviously it will try and attack again, all over again, this bird, this artificial bird. In fact, this is the thermodynamical perpetual engine, and it will keep on, you know making this cyclic motion continuously back and forth. And the reasons I had explained you before in that 12 to 13 minutes video, that evaporation, if it rapids out, then something will happen. You can see that how it is going.